is already melted. Okay? Period.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from a cellular. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm not gonna talk to you guys too long like this, by the way, because what? I look a mess. Like, I look bald-headed. I'm a forehead big. No, this is not gonna work. So anyway, we're gonna put this wig on. You guys see good, right? Just so we're gonna put on this wig. I wanted to curl it up and do that flip over style that they have going on, but I think I want to leave it like this too. I don't know. I'm going to my aunt's night tomorrow. So yeah, that's how I'm doing my hair. So I'm doing my hair today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff. So yeah, Zola hair glue, right? This is the wax stick we're gonna use, and then this I know we're boycotting this, but I have it, so I want to finish using it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, this is the ebony lace. I don't know this already, and then the Kiss spray. I don't know them spray because they're viral everywhere, so I don't know them already. So that's what we're gonna be using today. I have the hot comb, it plug in back there, so I wait for it for hot, so we can slick this back, and then we can get to putting the wig on. But I'm not gonna do that with y'all. Y'all know that y'all gotta put everything to the back, so when you put the wig on with the glue or whatever, the ear don't stick up in the glue. You understand? So you have to sleek it back. I don't do the ball cap method, so this is how I leave my stocking cap. And that's alcohol. I'm just gonna wipe my forehead, get all the extra grease off. I'm playing music, that's why I'm talking fast.
Yeah. Need a phone, don't remind the cash in hand in due time. I think that I will fuck the idea him out of your mind. He said he rap, he ain't signed, that ain't a good sign. Change your mind, good conversation and some rosé wine. Unless there's some other things you got in mind.
I didn't melt it or nothing yet. This is just I just put down the glue. We're gonna melt it now. We're gonna go with some of this. But first, I'm gonna put some of this on the lace to get rid of the white cast. Shake, shake.
DJ Sade, relax.
Gorilla. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitch, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I've got that bleak. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. I ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1,000,000 views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty bitch like Lauren with a big ass butt. Yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Come to the top of the car. Don't know about the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't leave without it. Can't leave without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase out deposit. Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot in Treasure Tree. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk, threw that shit to jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms were fatigued. Watch so much that a car came with me. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. And I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with a deuce 5, I'ma keep my ass bro. Break yourself, you was raised on the dance floor. I'm with Sade and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil Dugan, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you use from my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement then? We can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Shorty's too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the other nana. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna slick it back and let it do its thing. I like this little wave that's going on. Just like an eyelid. And spruce it up and that's it. You know, yeah, Kevin downstairs a cough. I don't know why I'm team and coughing. Twin, where have you been? Too bad, I don't like you so much wax stick, you know. I'm gonna think, I don't know if I'm gonna put on a baby hair. Guys, I'm just gonna slick it back and leave it like this for tonight. And then tomorrow, if I feel like putting some one curls in it tomorrow when I do my makeup and put on my outfit, I'll do so. But to go to work tomorrow, just gonna leave it like this. Once it done melts, we take out the sideburns already. I'm supposed to, alright. And I'm not gonna really do no baby hair or whatever. Just gonna flatten this out. Oh, it's hot, man. I feel it. I go through the wig, you know. Boy. So, when I see the black mark on my forehead, I the curling iron. Give me curling iron, man. Till it almost took me out. It's already melted. Okay? Period. I'm done with my hair for tonight. At what time now? 6:38. I took a shower already. That's why I'm already in my night clothes because I got my bed to sleep. Yeah, she just put this on. So yeah. I go downstairs, hang out a little bit with husband, and then eat something and come lay down and got my bed. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I do my makeup again. Right back here, so that's the way I do my makeup. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sleep tight. Good night. Hey y'all, so we're back. It's the next day. I just took a shower. I did my skincare. I got my lip balm on. Right? I'm about to do my makeup and get dressed to go to New York. At what time now? It's 4:39 and I'm about to do my makeup, but I'm gonna film a TikTok, so I'll put it on here as a short. I said call over YouTube, yeah, short. So I put it over here on a short. So yeah, we have to use one bird kill two stone or so. Or so? Something like some my granny always say. But anyway, we're about to do my brows. I can do my brows for y'all because I did a brow tutorial the other day on TikTok. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the brows with y'all and then we can switch over to shorts for the makeup. Right? Oh, I got to leave out by, I want to leave here at 7:30, 8 o'clock. So I got to do what I'm doing quick. Right? So we can do eye glow the thing. Why I can't find the brush to brush my eyebrow or see to it so. Okay, so I wonder if it's too bright for no. I see what though. Yeah, it's not so good. I'm gonna use this pencil. Let's see how this pencil goes. If it's too dark, I'll take it away. I want a light brow too. I'm not doing too much. I'm doing a light beat, by the way, but not do too much because, I mean, in a sense. Y'all see that? And then it start on the top. I gotta kind of arch this brow because you see there's no hair. So yeah, I kind of gotta make it. Gotta make it, bro. Big up the gal with the nice thick brows, okay? Because I gotta make my shit, see? No ear, no up this one. peel out. And then I just fill it in. We're gonna clean it up, so don't even too watch that. Right, that's how we're looking so far. And then for the front part, I just flick it upwards. And I just flick it, flick, flick, flick. And then brush it out. I'm gonna brush it out, so just soothe me right to some. Anyway, the girlies, them up on the phone. I'm going to chat with them, my love. What your host saying now? Paula come back? Oh, Paula, they put it now too. Paula, they put it. No, I did lower the phone because me a vlog. I was talking to my vlog, so I lower you guys.
So you bring your vlog up here? You don't want to depend your vlog.
I never said I was bringing my vlog. I'm not working with my vlog. What you say, Paula? Are you one? Come outside and uncompromising look. We're going outside, bitch. The fuck? You hear this bitch, y'all? She be annoying as fuck. Them going like them ugly than nobody else. Nah, look. Good to say she have 3 lash. You don't care about her. You have to document if you're in a nursing home. Where we can get that from? I lie. Guys, wanna see how Trump deal with the place? I need to talk to you about that. Y'all see how Trump dealing with the place? Let me lower them. Honestly, say Trump a tear down the place that even I talk about right now. Them I got everywhere got tear down the place, my love. Them nah look. What me say? Them nah do. Them not looking. Watch ya. Bro, me no know. I don't know what Trump is up to right now. Trump is just doing what he's doing. Because him saying only I deport people with felonies and those kind of charges and rape and all that. But yet still, people when I'm no criminal background, he might deport them same way. So I don't know what Trump depend.
Because I'm hearing that even if he's not one of them, you're not born here, he's not honoring it. Just because you're not born here, he's not honoring it.
Trump, alright, this is a Trump a mad boy. Mad boy in a clean clothes. I look on Trump. Him don't know who for send home. She there right next to him at night time asleep.
Yeah, his woman, because his woman is definitely not from here. The woman probably can't stand him. You don't see every time the lady look like a straight mannequin? When she's just walking, she still look like a mannequin. The lady don't look like nothing real, bro.
Yeah, she look just like him, as fake as blood cleat him.
Yeah. No, the lady just look like since she came and if she turned her head to the left, it's like something wrong. Like she came and I don't know, the lady look different.
Come like she had them robot there with them a bill. You say she a move like robot. Him say where she name? Where the fuck she name? Ivanka. Them say Ivanka move like she a AI right now. Like them Billar.
You don't see every time the hat gotta be in her face. She can't look forward or straight. Like she just gotta look forward. She can't even turn her head.
Come like if she look too hard, you gonna beat her, beloved. She probably afraid of him.
She probably afraid of herself.
For utter a word. She probably afraid for even utter a word. The man send her back home.
I said, you know what you're doing is wrong.
Yeah, I can't say nothing.
What if your wife tell you something?
Boy. All female pitney them can't say nothing. Nobody that say nothing. It's like nobody can't say nothing to the damn man, bro.
No, man,
That's
somebody wants
crazy.
to talk to that man. I tell that man that we better fuck it up.
Bro, nobody not say nothing to the man, bro.
Maybe you gonna see everybody that went against this man. He got locked up or something.
Yes, the man is a whole felon and still around the place.
People get locked up, you know. A lot of people got locked up.
Man, alright.
For going against him the first time. A lot of people got. You know,
And him a fire everybody and I sister the man a fire every black clad body beggar. You see what I want. The man do business with a soul.
he don't care with nothing, bro. People, mad people, like you see the charges that he was supposed to get for. Other people got those charges. He not playing. This man is different.
Bro, the way all Trump a move right now, all if you a green card, go like my send back your blood clot. Yeah, that's what me see right now. Cause this nigga a move damn. Yeah, why you? If I move out weird dog. No stuff.
I'm not sorry for
Trump a move out weird.
No, I'm sorry for the people that don't have nowhere to go, bro. Like, I'm not sure if people out them furniture out of them yard, them house, them not have stuff. I'm still probably I regret now they send us so much money for coming through the ladder. But all this is going and take it.
Yeah. Shay, it been out. Guys, my browser's done.
Who's that with her, my man?
Alright, y'all. So my makeup is complete. I'm about to fix my hair and then jump in my clothes. It's now, Alexa, pause. Jesus Christ, I forgot to have on the music. It's now 6:16 p.m. So I'm about to fix my hair. Just a hot comb this, put some eyeliner this, and jump in on my outfit. You understand? That's it. I'm not doing nothing else. I'm over it. Yep. But anyway, my makeup is done. I wonder if I see it good. My makeup is done. It came out good. Right? Yeah, I feel like a quick thing. Yeah. It for the face. I got this thing off a TikTok shop, you know. I need to try it. It's a setting spray. Them claim to say keep your makeup on and it don't make your makeup this and it don't make your makeup that. I was supposed to review it, you know. I think I might review it right now. Yeah, I should do that video, right? I should do that video and review it right now. Although my spray it already make it spray it again. I mean, what's the difference? No, sir. Oh, I'm gonna put on my clothes, car. Watch out. I have to iron on my body and lotion first. Well, I did lotion already, but I'm just gonna put on some of my oil and then throw on my clothes. Cause outside very much cold. We're gonna dry. So I'm dressed, and this is my outfit. This is the little two-piece set. And then I have my sneakers. Yeah, so that's it. I gotta go now because I think I'm late. I said I wanted to leave around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I think it is about to be 8 o'clock. So I'll see you guys when I get back. I don't know, I'll take too little footage with my phone if anything, but I'm not gonna bring the camera because you know it's a night. So I'm not gonna bring the camera. I might bring the camera to the funeral though, if my cousin wants it filmed. If not, I'ma just lower it. But yeah, I'm ready and I need to go now. So bye y'all. Guys, so the doll been outside, okay? So I think the last time you guys see me was Thursday when I was going to I think the last time you guys see me was Thursday when I was going to my aunt's 9 nights week. wanna call it up here? Yeah, that. I went out Thursday night and I went out Friday night. And then I get up this morning, which is Saturday, and go work this morning. So I'm tired, but I have some videos to put out. The people them send me them things, so I have to get the videos out before them ban me off a TikTok shop. So we're gonna open. Well, I opened some of them already. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys. So this lip balm is from CNP, and yeah, I like it. Nice bottle. A Korean lip balm. No man, I forget some in my mouth. I put on too much. Myrna. Lot of mouth, man. Lot of mouth. Yeah, I want it too. What I like it. It keep my lip nice and soft. And it's nice and shiny. Right? So I gotta post a video with this. And look how I'm gonna do it. I need to post a video. I gotta just pump one little bit because I don't have much lips. So one little touch of something full up my lip. And then this one is what? How you open this now, girl? What kind of arms was this? Oh, I never open. Watch ya. Okay, so this is from Topicals. This is a Fade Cream. This is a Brighten and Clearing Serum. Brighten and Clearing Serum from Topicals. You see that? Yeah, that. So I got that to do tonight. And then this, I got 2 serums from Annual. I think I said them name. And I gotta do this. Annual. Y'all should see these going around on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you're not already. Right? So I'm gonna put all that box in my time. And then what is now? Guys, I'm tired. I want to go take a shower. So I'm about to go take a shower after I'm done with this. And I gotta go lay down. Okay? Just in case more touch us in the street again tonight. Kevin is gonna put me right out, okay? Remember, I tell you. Kevin soon know what to do with me, but I go again tonight. You know, like, but I go back to back like, oh, I think these are the cups. Okay, so I gotta review some tumblers. 40-ounce tumblers. Yeah, this is what these are. I'm gonna sneak peek at one of them because I want to do an unboxing kind of video. So, I'll show you one of them. No, sir. Oh boy. Oh, it's so cute. So this is it. It's a tumbler, 40 ounces. It got a straw. And it's spill proof. When you close it, it's not supposed to spill. Yeah, keep with the germs and such. Like this. Ah! So anyway, but I have to review this. So I think I got a couple days on this because this just come not too long. So I think I have probably like 9 more days left. But them there, I gotta do them now and fling them up. Yeah, what is something coming at? Oh, and it come with the thing to clean it, and this to open the side. The side of it can't open. Let me show you. Just in case if you don't want to check it out. Look. Right here come out. Right, just to come pop out. And the top of everything can't open. Oh, this open. look at the little cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute and girly. And I think the other one is mint green. Yeah, I think this one purple and the other one is like mint green or something like that. So it's two different colors. Anyway, this I forgot about downstairs. So we can put them in. And now for this I actually bought because my auntie funeral on Friday. So I bought this to wear. It's a red and white theme because my aunt didn't really like black. So we're not doing black. I really want too much dark color. The lady always in a bright color and such. So the theme is like family members wear red and white, or white with a splash of red or something like that. So I got some red kitten eels and a bag. Hopefully it matches because the girl said she'll buy, how is this one called? I don't even remember when I ordered on my phone. Hold on. I'm going to find the shoes first. I hope this is red because but they were like, I'm not too like this, this don't look red. Oh, them said this are red. This don't look red. This look red too, no? This don't look red to me, my love. I don't know. I hope it can fit me because I have to go wear, my love. So let's see if the bag match it because what? The girl said to order. The bag don't match it. Do it? No, it doesn't. It don't match. You know me can't bother with them girl left on TikTok. The bag nice though. The bag nice. But it don't match the shoes. And it's too late now for my other one different color. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If anything, I have some clear shoes. I just wear the bag for a proper color. That's it. Okay, you know I can't bother with the stress. So this are the bag and the strap inside. No, sir. Let me see them little idiot shoes here. Cause it just broke my vibes, bro. This broke my vibes for real, for real. And this don't even look like it can fit me. Rockstone. Hey, hey. Murder for Samantha. It close bad. Me heel almost over the back. This can't fit me. You know, say me can't take arms out. Me can't take arms out now. The funeral are next week. My outfit I come the 4th from Fashion Nova. That's the Fashion Nova say. Now I need to go find shoes. I have to go up on Amazon and buy one red boot. I can't bother with this. This cute though. Probably this cute. This would have girly, but bro, my foot too ashy for showing them. I can't show them that right now. They have all my socks and my foot dry right now, you know, foreign cold. Yeah, the bones in my creak. I like the bag though, but it don't match. I wonder if I buy the burgundy. Cause I pick red, but the burgundy did look more red than the red when I have it on my hand. Some of them understand the burgundy look more like this. But the girl say red shoes and red bag she hold it up in the video, so I'm out of the bag, I'm out of the red shoes. So I wonder if at the burgundy shoes she order. Listen, guys, when I stress myself. So the shoes can't fit, so I have to go give it away. Because the heel back hang over just a little bit. Just a tad, like the rim the right I saw my heel back there the rim. It mean that I'm not space tonight. So it makes sense. I'm gonna put that bag up there so. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Big up on yourself. And share the video please. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Thank you. Bye y'all.